This is the charging flap on a Volkswagen ID.3, and these things are notorious for not opening and just getting jammed shut, and that's all thanks to a switch which gets water in and stops working. It's called an actuator. The proper way to fix these is to lever out this whole unit. This is the switch which can be replaced, but I guess you're going to end up with the same problem with them getting wet again and failing. What if you could just open and shut it whenever you wanted without any electronics? Well, that's what I've just done. I had quite a few attempts at this, so I'm only making the video now because otherwise it would be tempting fate. The thing would just flap open going along the road somewhere. We've still got a bit of tape in the door just in case something goes wrong. My fix involves screwing a screw into the old switch, which is now kind of stuck in. It has to be a magnetic screw, like a steel one. Some of them won't stick to magnets at all. There's a rectangular bit on this, and I've filed that off, drilled out the end of this thing and just shoved the screw in. Thankfully I didn't encounter any high voltage electrical cables when I was doing this. And at the other end on the door, I've slightly filed out this area and stuck in these neodymium magnets using some epoxy resin. I've used JD Weld, which has worked quite well. I initially used super glue. I glued a little stack of magnets together and the super glue kept failing and this thing would flap open in the middle of driving along, which was a real pain. But I've just filled this whole area with JD Weld and I've got a stack of 4 magnets here, I think it is. They're 8mm by 1mm, I think, the size, or possibly 10mm by 1mm. But this epoxy resin seems to be holding them in, and that amount of magnetism is just enough to hold it shut. Ideally, I'd have got a stack of more powerful magnets, which were less high, and that would have shut more effectively. There's a little bit of a gap here. But since this can be left open in a massive rainstorm with the power plugged in, I think this area is reasonably waterproof and can put up with the little gaps there. So even though it's not a strong magnet, it's strong enough to hold it shut. So I hope that's given you a tip on how to fix this problem very cheaply and without too much effort. But my tip is don't use super glue because it just doesn't stick well enough.